as it is our first video, let's start with some basic programs like the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So what we need to find out the area and perimeter of a rectangle. What is the basic thing? That is length. So first length equals to within int, then within brackets input, would again within brackets within double quotes, sorry, it's double quotes, would enter the length of the rectangle. Now after that breadth, so now breadth equals to int, again within brackets input, then again within brackets within double inverted commas enter the breadth of the rectangle. So now again after that, what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? Simply, everyone knows that perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B, means 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. After that, the area. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? So length into breadth, everyone knows that. So area equals to length into breadth. So after that, we will use the print statement. So print statement is basically used to show the output to the user with the statement you have provided. So here print within brackets perimeter of the rectangle equals to, then after inverted comma there's a simple comma, and then we have to write perimeter. After that again we have to use the print statement, and for area, right? Then print within brackets within double inverted commas area of the rectangle equals to then again after double inverted comma area. So let's run the program. Let's see what is up. Is the run option now. So we have to enter the length of the rectangle. So what we can put? So let's put 25, and breadth, let's take it 10. Then let's check the result. Here we will see the result. Let's check. Here we have to put a hashtag symbol. This hashtag symbol is used to comment on the program. Wherever you want, you can put this hashtag symbol to comment on the program. This program, now we can comment anything. Like let's check 2 into, let's check the value of length and breadth, 25 plus 10. This is equals to 2 into 35 within bracket 35, right? So this will equals to 70. It's so simple. Let's check with the area. Now again we have to put the hashtag symbol. Now length into breadth, so 25 into 10 and equals to, as you all know, it's simple, 250. Now let's run the basic functions of the statements. Now in the first line, and in the left hand side of the a bracket is the variable name, like length is the variable name. Instead of length we can use anything, like for length we can use only L, but for this statement L we have to put L in L instead of length everywhere in the program. So let's write it again, length. I wrote this to make you understand. Now this is the int. Here int means it is a function name. This int means integer. Now input out means when user need to input out the values. When the value is variable, the user want to enter. So we use this input statement or this input function, and here after that we used double quotes. This is what we want to display to the user to make the user know that what he or she want to enter, have to enter. Now this whole line used to make the user understood that what the user have to input. So after that, at here you can see the result. You have written in the enter the length of the rectangle. Here also written the enter the length of the rectangle. Now the perimeter, it is also the variable length and area. This is the formula of perimeter and this is the formula of area. This is the basic program. So now this is the print. So we have written here the perimeter of the rectangle equals to within the double quotes because we have to show the statement with the output. But if instead of using this, if we simply write perimeter, then what is the result? Let's see. So simply we have to delete from comma, from this inverted comma to the comma, and we have to write only perimeter in the bracket. Now again we have to simply do this same thing here. So here let's see, run the program again. 25 and there 10. Now let's see, here no statement is displayed, only you can see the result. So this is usually I am using to do this program. The interpreter I am using is Jupyter Notebook. You can see in the upper left corner it is written Jupyter. I am using this interpreter because it is more attractive than other interpreters. But there are lots of other interpreters like Python, Idle, PyCharm, Spider, VS Codes, which you can find in the Anaconda Navigator. But the Python Idle is the basic interpreter for doing this Python programming. But if you don't have any PC or laptop, then you can do the Python programming in the Android by using only one simple application known as Pyroid 3. The link is given in the description, so you can download directly from the link given. And if you like the video, then subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and share this video to your friends, and please like the video. And whatever program you want, you just simply DM us on our Instagram page or can write in the comment section of our video. We will make sure that we will upload that program on the next video of our channel. So please make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get our latest updates.